Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Helena from A Rooted Life, and today we are going to be making some Thanksgiving sides, maple garlic glazed carrots. This is a really simple recipe with minimal ingredients, but it packs a ton of flavor. So let's jump right in and start cooking. Grate 2 cloves of garlic. Peel and slice your carrots on a diagonal. Add water to cover your carrots and add a few pinches of salt at this point. Bring your carrots to the boil and boil for 3 to 5 minutes, then drain. Add your vegan butter and stir it in. Then add your garlic and stir that in as well. Almost there, just add your maple syrup at this point. This is one of my family's favorite recipes, so I really hope you have a chance to make it and try it for yourself. If you do, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and perhaps check out another one of our videos. Have a wonderful day and have a wonderful Thanksgiving this year.